Happy New Year, everyone! It's Robert Halley, creative wellness coach, performing artist, and poet. And more specifically for this video, the creator of the Wellness Oracle. Now, this is a heartfelt, soul-felt gift and project for, I think this is going on the 7th year. Can you believe that? While I did create version 1, it did not get a global launch because of some revisions. So I'm here today to officially state an open call for photographers. So what's unique is I'm using photography from everyday life, and version 2, which will have some crowdfunding earlier this year, we're going to do half the size, easier to shuffle, so there'll be vertical photos. Instead of going to stock, what is life without co-creation and collaboration? I'm really excited to say that I require 50 new photos. So if you're a photographer or you know someone who's a photographer, please be in touch. We're looking for people, animals, objects, environments, and nature. So I'd love to hear from you. Let's co-create, collaborate, and touch people's lives with art and wellness coming together for impact, engagement, and quick bite-sized solutions. I can't wait to talk to you, collaborate with you. This is my wish on the wind. So much love.